Dealgo, we need you. We are an online marketing company that advertise for big name companies like Spectrum, ADT, and AT&T. We need you. We need at-home, work-from-home agents to respond to calls and job forms that we get on a daily basis. So what happens is customers call to get cheap internet, phone, and cable service, and you will respond to these calls and job forms. Right now we work for DirecTV, Spectrum, and AT&T. So anytime that someone is needing that service, you'll get a call or they'll fill out a job form. You are an independent authorized dealer. I know you guys see local Metro PCS stores and Cricket stores everywhere throughout the nation. A lot of them have started out as independent dealers and then transformed into retailers and owners. This is our goal for you. So that opportunity is available if that's something that you want to do. Right now, as an agent, all you do is respond to these calls and job forms, okay? Most agents get about 5 to 10 calls per day, anywhere in between that. So that's about $250 to $500 each and every day that you're earning. You're paid $50 per new sale. Pay is on a weekly basis, okay? For the first 3 weeks, your payment will be withheld, and it's just to ensure that the customers get their service. From there on, it's going to continue on a weekly basis. This is not cold calling. It's not recruiting. This is not pestering customers in any way. In fact, customers will be contacting you to get what you have. We mostly deal with first-time users or those needing to switch and save. You have the answer, and you provide them with the service. What you are going to need every day to operate this business is a smartphone or a tablet, anything that provides you with internet access. Also, you'll need scripts and sales papers. We suggest that you print it out and place it in a folder, or you can easily just save it onto your phone. We will email you everything after you have placed your order. And then thirdly, you'll need order forms. You have 2 different order forms now. All you do is fill out the information that we require off of those order forms and submit them to us. That's it. That's how you'll get paid each and every day. Okay. What you will receive to help you operate your business is a personal job form website. That is what's going to cost you a one-time $80. Okay. This is a one-time fee. Thank goodness. Okay, it's going to go on your website. It's to help you broadcast your 1-800 number to the world. Plus, it gives your customers the opportunity to leave their information for you to contact them back. A lot of times, you'll get a lot of job forms, more than you'll get calls. But, it's really customers that are looking for the service. So, you're calling them back and you're signing them up with the service and you're getting $50 left and right. You're going to get contacted left and right. So this is going to be the best $80 spent in your life, okay? All right. To get started with the program, guys, you'll go ahead and pay the fees that's associated to get started. You'll also receive your first email. Within that email, you'll follow the directions, okay? And then you'll get your third email. And within that email, or the third step is you'll get your second email. Within that email, you complete everything you are ready to begin, okay? We ask that you provide us with a telephone number, a responding email, and a name that you would like to call your business. This will appear on your website, okay? Most agents get a professional 1-800 number because it gives off that look and feel. However, if you do not want to get a 1-800 number and you want to keep it all simple from there, you can use your cell phone or your home number. If you want a 1-800 number, go to grasshopper.com and you can get one for about $30. That's the number that you'll want to give to us, okay? If you're ready to get started, follow the 3 steps above, and thank you. See you on the other side.